Hi everyone, this is Lady Locks. Today I want to try to pick Gnarly by Lebel. I'm not going to try the key yet because it's still in the tape. I just cut it like this just to be able to get it off of there pretty quick whenever I was done picking it on camera so that we could test the key out. Alright, so let me get into focus here and give it a try. I'm using Topic Keyway in 50 thousandths and my trusty standard monkey paw, which is pretty much what I like to use for almost all the locks I try to pick. I use that pick first. If it doesn't fit, or if I find like there's a pin that's higher set or something like that and I can't get around stuff, I will grab a different one, but this one's like my go-to. So I'm sure everybody has their own. Right, I got a little false set there. Let's see, I think that was pin 1 or 2. Gave me the false set. I'm not real sure what's going on there, but let's move down the line. Alright, that got rid of the false set. Alright, and there's it open. Alright, now I'm going to get the key out. Let's see what that looks like. Alright, there's the bitting of the key. Not so bad. I'm going to turn it back. And just show the key working here. Oh yeah, that works good. That was a fun one to pick. I like spool pins, and it felt like there might have been a spool pin in there. I don't know. So I took the clamp off the back earlier, so this way when I got this open and picked that I could get it gutted on camera. Alright, let me see. I'm going to need a smaller follower, I believe. I think this one's going to be too big. No, this one looks like the one. Okay, so give me a shim. Let me turn this key real quick. Alright. There it goes. Shim in there. Now let's see what we got inside. Let's do it this way. Alright, so for the key pins, this key out. It's like a standard key pin. Serrated, another serrated. Standard and standard pin. Right. And now for okay, let's see what we got here. Number 1. Oh yeah, big spool. Wow, that's a nice spool. I'm not gonna worry about that spring right this second. Alright. Serrated, number 2. serrated number 3. I'm gonna push this through here and come this way to get the back couple. Serrated for number 5. Oop. And another serrated for number 4. Alright, and then all that's left in there is the springs. Get those guys out. Alright, and here we have it. I'm going to pick it up here so you guys can see it, hopefully not spill it. Those are some nice looking pins. Alright, Gnarly by Lebel. Thanks guys. Till the next lock.